Good morning, y'all. It is day 6, and this is going to be with day 5. I'm going to be editing that. I'm not feeling it today. I just wanted to come on and tell you guys what's going on. So if you guys may know, I have PCOS, and since October, the end of October, so the whole month of November, I did not have a cycle, which I could talk about it now because I know for a fact I'm not pregnant. But my husband thought I was pregnant for the whole entire month of November. So from October 25th all the way to the end of November, I have been taking pregnancy tests. And I just took my last pregnancy test. Took my last pregnancy test like a week or so ago. And that was a big fat, no, you're not pregnant. And so yesterday on day 5, which I've been having cramps for really bad for about a month and a half. And finally, AF is here. So I'm in pain, y'all. I feel like this has been a huge part of the reason of my bloating because I did not have a cycle. PCOS, among me having vulnerable brands, PCOS is one of the many conditions that I have. And I'm just working through that and trying to stay healthy and all of that. So this is day 5, and this is what I'm dealing with. I have to work. I have to work all week. I have overtime this week. I have an interview Friday for a part-time job. So I'm a little bit tired, and now it's 8 in the morning. And I'm about to go get ready for work. I'm about to go fix my Delgada and just relax, really. That's basically what I want to do. I'm thinking about making me a pancake, like one pancake or something like that, and just eating something. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for following my journey on my family channel, and thank you guys for coming over here to watch my videos on my personal channel. Thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow. So today is day 6. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 7.
Given that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system. It's simply how we've existed.
And also, guys, I almost forgot. So today is weigh-in day, and I know I might weigh a little bit heavier because of my cycle, but we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and weigh myself, y'all. So this morning is the weigh-in. All right, y'all ready? Let's go. Okay, y'all. So according to that, I've lost 2 pounds or 3 pounds. Sorry, y'all. So according to that, I lost 3 pounds. Last time I was 237.8. So or 2 point something pounds. But so far it's coming down, and it's okay with me. But I'm just gonna continue to work hard and see a change on the outside before I start really like weighing numbers and everything. But that's good. I guess for a week I did lose that using Delgada and using the 2 samples. So now, have a good day. Now, after weighing myself, y'all, I decided that I wanted to make myself a quick breakfast. So I have me a 2 Good yogurt that I'm going to put some blueberries in. And I use this avocado oil to heat my pan up. And I'm making me 1 pancake. Just one. So I'm gonna make me one big one because this is not keto mix at all. This is like my regular pancake, half a cup. A mix is 210 calories, but I measured it out. I don't even think that I use that much. So just gonna put this in the pan like this. And I use one of these. I'm gonna show you. I use one of these. So I don't even think that's a half a cup. But I should have got up earlier, but I didn't think about what I wanted to eat until now. And it's close to me going to work. So like I said before, I'm signing off yet again. And I'll talk to you guys later, okay, y'all? Bye. And I'm drinking water. Water only. Bye, y'all. What's up, y'all? So I just got off work and I'm back. So I calculated everything from this morning's weigh-in, which it will be in the description box below. So day 6 is not even over yet. And I just made day 5 regular, its own vlog. So I'm gonna make this one its own vlog. I'm going for my exercise right now. So I'm about to show y'all what I have on to hold me down. Being that I'm bloated, I cannot fit my corset right now. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got going on, okay? So I got my Feeling Girl sweat trainer on with a girdle, just a regular Walmart girdle that I may have gotten when I was pregnant or after I gave birth, that was gifted to me. And then I'm gonna put my pants on. I got my pajama top on because I'm not really going nowhere. I'm staying outside, but you see how that holds me in, y'all? And it gives my little booty a little caboose, y'all, like a little caboose. Excuse my daughter Mira, because she likes to play on her mirror and put stuff on her mirror. So give me a little caboose back there. So I'm going outside to work out. And let me put my pants on so y'all can see how I look. Put my jacket on, and then we're gonna walk the steps for about 4 reps. 4 up downs, and then I'm gonna come back in the house and relax. Okay? See y'all outside. So y'all, this is how I look with my pants on. I did tuck my shirt in, but this is how I look with my pants on. I'm about to go outside. I'm thinking about doing this every day. I'm thinking about doing this every day when I get off work until I can get back into the gym, because I just started the process to get back into the gym. But y'all know how that go when you gotta pay for the gym membership with this COVID, everything been going on. But until I can get back in the gym, I think I'm gonna be doing this, and I love doing this, whatever the case may be. I feel good now that my cycle has came back on, y'all. If you guys know anything about PCOS, it's really hard to lose weight with PCOS, but I'm gonna try to kick PCOS in the booty. So we're gonna go outside, and I'll see you guys when I get out there, okay? All right, y'all, so it's pretty cold out, so I'm gonna do my first lap down the steps. And then I may do more than 4 laps. I just want to listen to my music though, so. Third lap. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna go listen to my music. I'll be back. I had Okay, my bad. I haven't did this in a while. I did 6 reps on the steps. 5 knee kicks, like toe taps on my side of my steps. I did squats. I did lunges all the way to the end, to the cars. And I did 20 jumping jacks. And I'm ready for more, y'all. I'm ready for more. But I'm getting hot. That's kind of end this video. I'm gonna go do my cool down. And then go back in the house. I'm gonna do this every day until I be able to get back into the gym. Hopefully, once I finish conditioning, I will be fine. So I'm going to do my cool down. Probably walk around back and forth for a little bit. Going back to listen to that music. It's day 6. And I can do this. I can do this, y'all. So I'm walking back and forth. And I'm gonna be editing while I do that. So I'll see y'all tomorrow for day 7. For day 7. Alright, bye. I'm tired, y'all. Bye.